Hi all, today in this video we'll be learning about view volume. Now what is this view volume? In the previous videos we have learned about projections, and we know that there are two types of projections: parallel projection and perspective projection. Let us take into consideration parallel projection. We all know that in a parallel projection, the 3D object, when it get maps onto a two-dimensional view plane, the size of the object does not undergo any change, which means the projected image will be of same size with respect to the one we are having in a real life object. Okay, since there is no size difference, what we feel is that when we try to map or when we try to draw projection lines from the real life object to the projected image, what we get appears to be like this. Let us draw the projection lines for each points of the object to the view plane. Definitely the projection lines are going to appear somewhat like this. What we observe is that the shape that we have just obtained, with respect to the projection lines are to be considered alone. So I am just retaining the projection lines on the screen, and all the remaining portions are to be just wiped off. When we consider only the projection lines, what do we feel? We can see that these projection lines are parallel to each other, and it creates a shape of a parallelogram. So this entire volume within which everything is visible, and outside this region nothing will be visible. That means whatever is seen within this area will be captured and will be displayed on the 2D view plane, and whatever comes outside this area will be nicely clipped off. So this is what is termed as 3D clipping. So what is clipping? Clipping says save all those portions which lie within the view volume. Okay, save all those portions which lies within the view volume. That means whatever lies within this area will be captured and will be displayed on the scene, and all those portions of the picture or the object which lies outside the view volume have to be clipped off, and this is what is termed as a 3D clipping. Okay, so definitely when we try to capture the parts of the object which lies within the view volume, definitely the shape of the view volume resembles the shape of a parallelogram, and this shape of the view volume in parallel projection is known as parallel piped. So the view volume with respect to parallel projection is known as parallel piped. Let us see how the view volume appears when we do perspective projection. Okay, I'm again going to consider a 3D object whose image is being mapped on a two-dimensional view plane. Suppose the view plane is kept much farther away from the 3D object, and therefore the object when mapped on the two-dimensional view plane will appear to be much smaller than actually it is. Okay, so whenever we try to capture an image on a view plane, the obtained projected image will be smaller than it is actually. Okay, so let me map the corresponding points among these two objects. That means among the real life object and the projected object. So let me draw projection lines between these two. So when we tried to draw the projection lines, what do we observe? Since the real life object is much larger, and when the projected image is mapped on the view plane, it appears to be much smaller. And we try to draw a projection line between the corresponding points. What we observe is that the shape of the view volume. What is the view volume? View volume is the shape obtained by the area covered due to the projection lines. We have already drawn the projection lines, and these projection lines create a shape of an object. The area covered by this shape or this view volume is in the form of a frustum. Let us consider this shape alone. I am going to wipe off all the remaining portions. Let me wipe off the remaining portions. After I have wiped off the remaining portions, what I have obtained is the shape of the view volume. That means whatever comes within this area will be mapped on the view volume, and whatever comes outside this area will be nicely clipped off. So when a 3D clipping is applied to a perspective projection, the shape of the view volume means volume of the object or the area spanned in three-dimensional space which is visible on a two-dimensional view plane. Okay, so all those objects which lies within this view volume will be seen on the two-dimensional view plane. So this shape created by a view volume in a perspective projection is termed as frustum. So there are two types of view volume. The view volume that we obtain in parallel projection resembles the shape of a parallelogram. So this three-dimensional shape of a view volume is termed as parallel piped, whereas the shape of the view volume what we get in a perspective projection is named as frustum. So this is what is termed as a view volume and 3D clipping. Okay, hope the concepts being explained over here are understandable. Keep watching the videos and support me. Subscribe the channel if you are not yet subscribed, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and click on the all options. Okay, take care, bye bye.